Yo, what up, gang? Today we finna do something a little different, alright? So, a lot of people be wondering, like, can you eat with your diamond grills? Can you eat with your pull-outs, the these joints perms, all that shit? First of all, nah, these joints is not perms. They do pull out, and I can take them out. I just choose not to, because if I don't got my little retainer case and shit, I don't like to take them out and put them in a napkin for real, because I can smash them up or lose them and accidentally throw it away. So that's why I don't really take it out all the time, and I mostly eat with these joints. But people want to know, can you eat with them? The question is, to answer that question, yeah, you can eat with them. So we finna eat the new McDonald's Big Stupid Mac. Is what I'm calling it. The double Big Mac. So I can show y'all you can eat with your grills and they gonna still be alright. You feel me? And plus, I don't know, y'all be liking them eating videos I be seeing on social media. So let's try that joint out. Got our fries, you dig? Ketchup on deck. Boom. Flavor to love double. Nah, for shit show. Let's see what they talking about. This big ass joker. It should kind of look like the normal joint. It looked way bigger in the picture, I ain't gonna lie. Shit. Hey, there you go. Let's get to it, because I'm hungry as a mug. Let me pray. You know, I be forgetting to pray over my food. I be hating that. All right, let's get to it. So far, so good. I meant to get a shamrock shake. But like, is it me? Or is McDonald's just starting to tax like a mug now? Cause look, that shit ran me up just for this was like $14. And I almost went to Chipotle, but I didn't. Cause I was like, I ain't trying to spend $15 over there. It was like the same shit. I ain't get no shakers. I feel like spending $20 for fast food. I think that shit a little crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Gotta have your Coke. Yo, I know somebody know what I'm talking about. So don't y'all act all crazy like y'all know what I'm talking about. It's something about McDonald's, Coca-Cola, or they soda, period, right? They just hit and tastes a little bit more sweeter than like normal soda. You feel me? Something about they soda just hit a little bit better than like normal soda, bro. I don't know what it is. It's like they put a little bit more sugar or something in that shit. I don't know. I'm gonna drop a good fry on the table. Ooh. That shit got me mad. When the last time y'all actually used a ketchup packet? That's why they don't be giving you that many no more. They be seeing how y'all throw them away and don't be using them. Still got plenty burger left. Bullshit. I don't know, yo. I be feeling crazy eating on camera. Like I said, I be seeing this a whole thing, bro. Like, y'all be liking to hear the noises and shit. Niggas be smacking it. I'm trying it out, B. You gotta try new things. It's 2024. Oh, yeah. Doing YouTube videos on my lunch break at the Gigaroni, you feel me? Gotta make that content anytime. As you can see, all my diamonds are intact. It depends what jeweler y'all go to be like. I don't know if you could do this with any type of grills, because if their diamonds ain't getting set right and shit, yeah, it's gonna fall out real easy. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This shit kind of tastes like the normal one. It's almost like they should have been made these hoes with 2 patties. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I ain't really seen too much hype. This shit kind of tastes just like the regular degler. On the picture, it looks so much big. I was like, yo, I don't know if I want all that beef. This shit like the same shit. $14.07, B. They be taxing like shit. I'm sorry, y'all. McDonald's used to be budget friendly. They just ain't no more. Let's just keep it a buck. I don't even want to tell me how much some fries was, because I be knowing them shits be like $6, $7 alone. Bruh, but they soda though. So I just had a Coke. This don't even taste as good as a McDonald's Coke, bro. I swear. I swear, bro, they be putting a little crack or something, just like Starbucks, bro. Why they coffee so good? They put a little crack or something in that shit. Cause come on, bro. Like, I don't care what nobody say. Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, they not the same, bro. Like, Starbucks is shitting on every fucking body. Like, no. I only did that so y'all can see what's going on with my teeth. It's all Gucci. Oh yeah. Now for my people who get their grills and like you in your first week or 2 weeks in or month or two in, I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna hurt like shit trying to eat with your grills in, bro. Don't think that you can't do it. It's just gonna hurt. Y'all wanna know what it feel like when you get your grills for the first time? If y'all ever had braces or a retainer, that's what that shit gonna feel like. Your first couple of weeks, months, whatever. This shit gonna hurt. It could have gave me a little bit more Big Mac sauce. You know. I don't know what it is, but I gotta have fries with my burger. Like, I like to eat them bitches at the same time. I might go back and get that shamrock shake, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Part 2 of the video. No, man. Oh, bro. Cause I know somebody feel me out there, though, my nigga. Like, ain't nobody trying to spend no $20 at no fucking McDonald's for like a little, you know what I'm saying? Like, cause you could really like go to a restaurant and get some shit. You feel me? That's all I'm saying. Like, it's McDonald's, bro. Like, oh yeah. I sweat when I eat. Fun fact. Like, if y'all really fucking with this me eating shit, I can show y'all some crazy shit, right? When I really eat some spicy shit, bro, I be sweating like a nigga ran a marathon, bro. If I got a doctor in my comments, let me know what's up. I know that shit ain't good. Gotta rinse your mouth out, man. Clear your mouth out with that soda. That sody pop. Oh shit, nigga. You know, this be soda at the top of the lid. I'm gonna just spill the shit on me. Let me go ahead and finish this burger so I can finish this video. I know y'all like, man, nigga, if you don't hurry up. Hold up. I be getting sidetracked. I almost just chilled with y'all for my whole lunch break. Alright. I can't take one bite without getting sauce on my fucking face, B. I would say it probably got me full. Cause I think it probably do take like 2 Big Macs to get me right. Mm. Y'all want to see me get fired? Or if my boss and manager become up in and be like, what are you doing? I'm like, minding my motherfucking business, bitch. Nah, for real. Oh, dang. If I say that, I better get me to 1 million subscribers, 1 million fucking likes, niggas, cause I'm gonna be out of a job. I'm gonna need your help. Nah, for real. And I'm gonna blame every one of you niggas that watch this shit. They be on bumpers, you feel me? Can't do shit nowadays, boy. But shit. Basically, I finished it, hell. You just finishing these fries, but I won't even make y'all stay for that. But basically, yeah, man. You can eat with your grip, boy. Y'all see me sweating. Boy, terrible. Man, y'all help me go up. Look at bro. Nosy ass. Nosy ass new. I'm fucking crying. Motherfucker, this guy talk over here too. It's heavy, bro. This building big as shit, and they tried to talk right here, my nigga. That's how you know you being fucked with. But nah, man, shit. It's about the end of this video. You can eat with your diamond grills, your VVS's. You see how nasty that shit get though? That's one thing for sure. This shit's gonna get nasty. You gotta clean and scrub the hell out of these joints, especially when, like, under them. So, keep you like some toothpaste, some Listerine. Excuse me. That's how you gonna keep your shit clean and nice and fresh. But about to get back to work, y'all. Back to the giggle-roni. But like, comment, subscribe. Depending on how this video do, I might show y'all some more shit I could eat with the grills in. I mean, I eat anything with this hoe, I ain't gonna lie. I don't recommend like hard ass candy, like no jawbreaker, no shit like that, but like food, soft food and shit, like, I mean, you can eat anything for real. As long as you got a good jeweler and they make that shit right, they make it good, you should be straight. But shout out to Dayani Jewelers, they the one who made my grills. I ain't gonna lie though, my jeweler did tell me don't eat, don't drink in these joints, but that's just him giving me a recommendation. Like a good recommendation, like a good, cause you don't want to, cause you know shit can happen. It can still break, diamonds can fall out, and discoloration can happen. The more you eat this, the quicker you gotta send it in for a deep clean, but you ain't gotta send nothing in for a deep clean if you watch my videos, cause I show you how to deep clean these joints too. So, man, like I said, just like, comment, subscribe, and I can show y'all what it is, man. Show y'all how to do what it does. My nigga, though, I ain't gonna lie, bro. They throwing me off, bro. Like, you see how much, bro? I'm just that popular nigga. Like, ain't nobody like, bro, what the fuck Mother doing over here today, bro? It's just cause, man, like, you know what I'm saying, bro? Like, they don't normally be hanging over here, bro. That shit throwing me off. Fucking up my video. It really ain't though, cause I don't really give a shit. But it's just like, damn. I just wonder like why. But like I said, we're finna get up out of here. Shout out my working people. Working the 9 to 5s, keeping the money alive. Shout out my hustlers. All my hustlers, you know what I'm saying, in them streets. Making that money, making that food so we can eat. Shout out all my people, you know. Shout out everybody, man. I don't care what you do, how you do it. Just get the money and, you know what I'm saying, and just like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I care about. Shit, niggas. Alright, but nah, man. Over and out, man. Appreciate y'all staying, watching the video, but yeah, man, that's how you eat with your VVS diamond grills. That new McDonald's joint. And like I said, if I'm gonna rate that McDonald's burger from 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it a cool 6, 7. It was 6 or 7, not for real. It wasn't nothing too crazy. It wasn't nothing too different. And like I said, it's like, damn, like, it almost makes you think, like, the burger should have always been made like that, for real. Because all that bread they be giving you and shit, it kind of just evened out for real this time. Because I feel like the normal Big Mac is a lot of bread. But, yeah, like I said, from 1 to 10, I give this shit a cool 7. But, shit. Like I said, man, y'all stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna chop it up. We're gonna get to back some of these topics, man. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see content-wise, and let me know how y'all doing and shit out there with jewelers y'all are messing with. If y'all can find any better jewelers than mine, man, let me know. But like I said, over and out for real this time. All right, y'all. Peace.